Welcome to our electricity quiz. This video will test your knowledge on circuits, conductors, and insulators with 10 exciting questions. Question 1. What makes up an electric circuit? Choose the correct combination from the options provided. The correct answer is A. An electric circuit requires a battery, wire, bulb, and switch. Remember that a circuit needs an energy source and components. Question 2. What is needed for electric current to flow in a circuit? Consider the condition of the path for the current. The correct answer is B. Current only flows when the circuit is closed, meaning it is a complete, unbroken path. Question 3. Which of the following is an electrical conductor? Think about materials that allow electricity to pass through easily. The answer is C. Copper wire is a metal, and metals are good conductors that allow electricity to pass through. Question 4. Which of the following is an electrical insulator? Recall materials that do not allow the flow of electricity. The correct answer is D. Rubber eraser. Insulators like rubber, plastic, and wood do not allow electricity to pass through. Question 5. In a circuit, what is the purpose of a switch? Focus on how a switch controls the flow of current. The answer is B. A switch is used to open or break and close or complete the circuit to control current flow. Question 6. What happens to the brightness of bulbs when more batteries are added in series? Consider the effect of increased power. The answer is C. Adding more batteries in series increases the current, making the bulbs brighter. Question 7. Two bulbs are connected in series. What happens if one bulb is removed? Think about the path of electricity in a series circuit. The answer is C. In a series circuit, removing one bulb breaks the entire circuit, and all the bulbs go out. Question 8. Two bulbs are connected in parallel. What happens if one bulb is removed? Consider the multiple paths in a parallel circuit. The correct answer is C. In a parallel circuit, each bulb has its own path, so removing one bulb does not affect the others, and the remaining bulb stays lit. Question 9. Which material would complete a circuit and light up a bulb? Remember the role of conductors in a circuit. The correct answer is C. A strip of aluminium foil. Aluminium is a metal, and metals are conductors that allow electric current to flow. Question 10. The final question. Why is the covering of electrical wires made of plastic? Consider the safety function of the wire covering. The answer is C. Plastic is an insulator, It prevents electric shocks by blocking the flow of current outside the wire. The quiz is complete. Well done, scientists. You've earned your star.